Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is the third episode for this channel, and I haven't got any subscribers yet or the views. But being a businessman, I know that you have to keep investing in the business, and you can't lose hope. You have to be patient. So that's what I'm going to do, and I hope that you guys will join me and will become a team. So as you all know that this channel is about talking to each other, so I thought that I'll start first and I'll talk about myself, and I hope that it encourages all of you to come forward and talk about yourself or the problems that you're facing. So I'm a businessman. I have a small industry, and I run the business on my own. So I'll talk about that aspect of my life. Running business, you have to take care of every detail, and about your profit loss, about your purchase, about your dispatches, and every small things. And in my business, one day you are in profit, but second day you have huge amount of loss if you're not careful. And currently I've done some expansion in my business, so more responsibility, more work, and as a result I have become more angry. I have a basic anger nature, but because of this thing I have become more irritating guy. It's not good to be around me, and I think 50% reason behind this is because of the new business, and also because of corona. It has affected the social life of all of us, so that is one of the reason. But one of the reason is also this, that since I've taken this project since past 2 years, it has affected me mentally. The stress levels have been high, and now slowly and slowly the project is getting executed, and hopefully in the next 2 to 3 months it will be on track. So I've seen myself change a lot in this past 2 years, and my level of frustration, or it has reached that level that even for the smallest of thing I get angry, and like within next 2 minutes I realized that I was angry for no reason. But by that time the person on whom I have gotten angry is affected. So that realization that comes afterward, it doesn't make any difference, it doesn't matter. And I'm trying different ways to keep my calm, but just opening about it to you guys feels good. And if anyone sees this video, I hope that you can give me some suggestions, some ways to keep it under control. And this video is more in general about opening myself, and letting you know what I'm going through and what is the reason behind it. So that's it. I hope that you guys also join me and talk about your problems, and collectively we can solve problems. And as we are reading in the news, watching the news, corona is increasing day by day all across the world, and I hope that you guys are doing everything in your power to stay safe, and also to keep others safe from you. So with that, I'll take your leave, and I hope all of you are doing good. Stay safe and take care of yourself and of your family and others around you. So with that, bye bye, and we'll see in the next episode.